Mullah Akhtar Mohammad Mansour was the leader of the Taliban, an Islamic fundamentalist political movement in Afghanistan, from 29 July 2015 to 21 May 2016, when he was killed in a US drone strike after crossing into Pakistan from Iran. Mansour is thought to have been born either in a village named Karaz or another village named Bandi Timur, both of which are situated within the Maiwand district of Kandahar province in southern Afghanistan, sometime during the 1960s. The biography released by the Taliban's Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan website shows 1347 for his date of birth, which is according to the solar Hijri calendar, which corresponds to 1968. This year of birth is corroborated by S. Mesud of the CTC West Point. According to Ahmed Rashid, Mansour belonged to the Alizai tribe, but other sources claim that he was of the Ashakzai tribe. In any case, both the Alizai and the Ashakzai are of the Durrani line of the Pashtun people. Mansour was educated at a village mosque and joined primary school at about the age of 7. Sometime during the year 1985, he joined the jihadi war against the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.